Good morning. Today we will do maths work. In maths we will do telemarks. Do you know what are telemarks? Telemarks are used to count or score. Telemarks are a quick way to count the numbers in the group of 5. Now this is activity time. So let's start. Let's start an activity of telemarks. Telemarks are used to count. And why we use telemark? Telemarks make the counting easy. For example, one object equals to one telemark like this. Another object equals to second telemark. If we put another object, it will be means one object equals to one telemark. If we add one more, it is equal to another telemark. And when we add, now count with me, 1 2 3 4. When we add fifth one, so for this we will cross it. Now this is a group of 5. What is this? This is a group of 5. Now when we add 6, we will make another group. 6 7, we will make one telemark. Now let's count them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now let's count them. Group of 5, 5 6 7. So telemarks make the counting easy. Now here we have to count the telemarks. So let's count. This is group of 5. Group of 5, 5 5 10 11 12. So which number will come? Here we will write down 12 like this. Okay. This is called telemark. What telemark do? Telemarks are used to count and they make the counting easy. Now open page number 9 in your Kinder Math Star workbook and let's see what it says. Count, tally and write. But before we start the work, what we have to do? We have to write down today's date and day over there. Can you tell me what date is today? Today is 23rd. So what we will write down here? 2 3 dash 9 dash 20 20. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. So let's write Wednesday and you have to spell with me. W E D wed N E S ness D A Y day, Wednesday. Now let's read the caption again. Count, tally and write. This is very easy work. What we have to do? We have to count the animals, then we will mark the tally and then we will write down it here. So let's start. First is done for you, but let's count the rabbits. What is this? Rabbit. So let's count the rabbits. Count with me. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. How many rabbits are there? 14. Let's see the tally. Count with me. This is group of 5, 5 6 7 8 9. Oh, it's wrong. We need 14 tally marks. So what we will do, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 5 are left. So what we will do here, we will make a group of 5. How we will make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count them again. 5, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many rabbits are there? 14. 14, 14. Let's trace it again. 1, 4, 14. Now let's move to next. What are these? Cows. So we have to count the cows. So let's start. 1. What we will do? We will cross it. Then we will mark 1 tally mark here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5, what we will do? We will cross it and make a group of 5. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again we have to, fifth one we have to cross it. How many cows are there? 10. So 5 and 5, 10. So what we will write down here? 1, 0, 10. Very good. Now what are these? Ducks. Now let's count the ducks. Where are the ducks? These are ducks. Now count with me. 1. We will mark 1 tally mark. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will make a cross on it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again fifth one we will cross. 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's count them again. 5, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many ducks are there? 13. So what we will write down here? 1, 3, 13. Now what are these? Horses. Let's count the horses. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one we will cross like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will cross it. 11, 12. Now let's count them again. 5, 5, 10, 11, 12. How many? 12. So here we will write down 12. 1, 2, 12. Now the last one. What are these? Birds. Let's count the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one we will cross like this. Now 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now fifth one we will cross like this. 11. Now let's count them again. 5, 5, 10, 11. How many birds are there? 11. So what we will write down here? 1, 1, 11. So this is your today's work. Now complete your work and send it to me. Bye.